Well, as metros across the country resume today in Bengaluru too, it is of course a happy morning. There are many people who've actually chosen to opt for the metro today. Let's start by just showing you, the safety protocol at the metro stations. You can see how there is heavy deployment, of course, of police persons. They're all made to mandatorily wear a face mask, a face shield, as well as the additional cover. At the entrance of the metro, you will have to mandatorily use the sanitizer, much like any other city. There's a foot pedal also over here to use the sanitizer. But very interestingly, it's not just rubbing your fingers with the sanitizer. You'll have to sanitize your whole palm. And till the time that this machine here actually allows you to proceed forward. See, so ideally what this is telling me is that I've not sanitized properly, so I will have to sanitize for a second time, ensuring that my palms are completely sanitized before I can finally go inside. You're not supposed to touch this machine, but merely put your palm ahead of it, and there. So now that it's actually signaled me to walk ahead is when I will be permitted to walk ahead. Let's remind you here that you're only allowed to carry one bag in the metro, not more than one bag. That's not really permitted. And of course, so we will be going past the security check, arriving at the platform, and then proceeding forward from there to show you what the arrangements are inside the metro station. Well, we've cleared the security check-in at the entrance and arrived over here at the actual platform. First of all, let's inform you that as per the new norms now, your smart card shouldn't exactly be touching this, but just a little bit of a distance wherein it will then permit me to walk past and go inside. Now this is again in order to ensure that minimal contact, of course, is actually ensured. Also now proceeding forward, we will show you how there is in fact a board over here that actually reads that people must stand on alternate steps. This is simply to remind people to maintain the social distancing. You can see how it says that people must stand on alternate steps. There are some other rules as well, some other instructions that have been issued as well over here. All of this just to ensure absolute safety and absolute precaution. While of course, this is again the second step of this, we are going to proceed forward and show you what it's like inside the metro also. Well, right here at the platform, the train has just arrived. There's a board that's reminding everybody to maintain social distance. You can see also, of course, these markers that have been put. Well, these were there prior to the COVID-19 pandemic also. Now it's going to be ensured more strictly. The train is in fact, going to be stopping here for longer than the usual is what we understand, so that people don't have to rush into it or barge into it, and they get to maintain the social distancing. Let's proceed towards the seats, and what you'll see is that the capacity of the metro has actually been reduced to half, because it's only the alternate seats that people are allowed to sit on. So you can see that there is a sticker over here that ensures that people must not sit on this seat, which is why also only one bag is actually being permitted. Now apart from that also, you can see over here how on this digital board here, people are being reminded to sanitize their hands at the entrance. They're also mentioned, do not travel with COVID-19 symptoms. So this right here is all the rules that have been laid down by the central government that is just being reminded to the viewers again. And of course, as you can see, today being the first day, it still seems like it is going to take some time for people to warm up to the idea of traveling in public transport again. But having said that, also people have been urged not to travel unless absolutely essential, and to stay home and actually maintain a good social distance even while stepping out. Well, here's wishing all the commuters a happy commute and a safe commute.